Oh, what are the fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are those the peoples who are living in the country, the basic needs of their there are in Indian Constitution there are 6 fundamental rights right now. The freedom of speech, the freedom of equality, the freedom of religion, and the freedom of economic, the freedom of study. The articles were there on 12 to 36, 12 to 32 covered these fundamental rights. The 12th fundamental rights of the state it describes state how it states, and 13 also about it, and 14 is article 14 is the constitutional equality before law. All are equal before law. And the constitutional act of 15 article 15 says that 15 article 16 is about article 16 is about the government in government jobs and government governance. The privileged peoples, the poor peoples, SC, ST peoples, EVS, these peoples will get a reservation under it. And article 17 is aspurushate, untouchability is as an offense in India. 17 and 18 is birudu means the any title not out of India. No one get title of any Raja, anything because like Raja the Raja, all this. Okay. And 19 is constitutional 19 article 19 article 19 is in it 6 sub articles were there. The freedom of speech, freedom of travel, freedom of living, freedom of expression, freedom of thought, and freedom of protesting against any offense, and freedom of collecting cooperative societies. Okay. And next 21 article 20 and 21 is dignity, self. These are the basic base articles that they were never be adjourned. They will not be cancelled by any the governor, the president. Okay. 20 and 21 universal fundamental rights, these are true. 20 says that the any person who convicted any offense, it is 21 until he get from law court, he is convicted. He will not, he is not ROP, he is not convicted. Okay. He is just convicted person. Okay. And next 21 is living right. It is not demolished by any persons, any constitutional authority. Okay. Next 22 article 22 says that the convicted persons in the jail, they will get only one on one offense. They will get only one punishment for it. And primitive and preventive. These are the two sections in 20th article. The preventive and is if someone is convicting any offense, police taking custody before him, and preventive and after the custody he is done after. Okay. 22 and 23, 24, 25, these are the religion, right to religion. Okay. 23, 24, 24 is 24 is child labor abolition. Is the 24th article. And the next is that 24th completed, and 25, 25, 26, 27. These are the religion, and 29, 29, 30. These for Alpasankyatur means the least per persons in these Muslims, Christ, and these people. Their constitution, their education, and is about the 13th article, and 29th article is they can build any religion monument and collect taxes from out of it. These are this all. And one more important constitution is the 32th article. 32th article is this all over articles is conserved in judiciary. If any of these abandoned by any persons, he can go through the Supreme Court judge, High Court, and he will get an answer about it. Okay, this is about fundamental rights. That's it. Last.